Hey guys, now I'm gonna show you how to change your oil using engine flush. It helps to get out of all the grease and everything in between from your engine oil. And if you're not going to use it, you have to be very careful. Each liter of oil needs 100 milliliter. In my case, my car is 5.9 liter engine, uses 5.9 liter engine oil, and I'm gonna put it around 300 milliliter. And second of all, you are not allowed to exceed the oil level amount. In my case it's half, and I don't have to worry about anything. And if you overfill it, you might have blown head gasket, or it might damage the engine and you have to tear it apart. So I have the old engine oil flush. There's still something left between. I'm gonna put everything in there and then open the new bottle. 240, I'm gonna do 200 and 100. So just open the oil filling plug. And put it in there. I'm gonna add another 100 milliliter of engine flush and then start the car about 10 to 15 minutes. What it does, it makes your oil thinner and makes all the sludge and everything come out easily. So now I'm gonna pause the video, start the engine, run it for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back and show the rest of the steps. So I let it run around for 10 minutes without pressing any gas pedal. It needs around 1000 RPM. Now I'm underneath the car. Right here is oil drain plug. You don't need even to remove the underbody cover. Now I'm gonna drain it. In my case it's 90mm socket. So I loosen it and then I can remove it with hand and then catch the oil out. Hopefully you can see it clearly. It's really black. Now I'm gonna move up the head and then open the filter up and then remove it. So now I'm gonna remove the oil filter. It's right here where it's located. You're gonna need an adapter or special key to unlock it, to open it. So let's move. I'm gonna let it sit like this to drain a bit and then grab a catch can. I'm gonna, as fast as possible, put the oil filter in here because leaking everywhere, making a chaos. So now I'm gonna put the new filter in it. Make sure your gasket comes with it, and the old gasket is all the way out. I have a case that the old gasket is stuck in there. So before you put it, make sure you put some oil in there, just like that. I'm using this old oil, but it doesn't matter, it's already have an old oil in there and it's not gonna make any changes. So I'm gonna put it in there, tighten it with hand. In this case it's usually 25 Newton-meter. Tighten it with hand as much as possible and then I'm using digital torque. wrench or whatever you can call it. At the moment it's 30 Newton meter. I'm gonna put it 25. Hopefully you can see it. And there is a cover, I can remove it. Maybe. Yeah, yes, there's a cover. You can see clearly 25. I'm gonna take the wrench and then start tightening it. Just gonna move a bit to see not over tighten it. So 25, check it again, and then 25. That's fine for the moment. I'm gonna reinstall the oil plug now. So before I put the plug in there, I'm gonna use a new crusher washer. And you have to replace it. You don't need to replace your drain plug all the time, only crusher washer or gasket. It's not like Volkswagen or anything. I'm just gonna put it in there, head tighten it, and then use a torque wrench. It usually needs 42 Newton meter, 42 Newton meter. I'm gonna do it with feeling, not over tighten it. If you do this a lot of time, you're going to have the feeling if it's gonna snap or not. So 14 Newton meter was fine. Doesn't give me the feeling that it's going to snap or what. So before I'm putting the oil, I'm gonna use Ceratec oil additive, which is really great. First of all, pour it all the way in. I'm gonna fill it around to 300 milliliters is enough for 5 liter. I have something left over in here. I'm gonna put this in. Which is enough for 5.9 liter, but I'm gonna second. I'm using the usual thing. It's really quite smooth. This is about like reset for the one thing at the moment, but only the best 30 dps. It's not everything. But then at the moment, it will set in place. But it's possibly next full form, whatever it is. And probably the best card that we can support without AV system or power system or anything. You know, everything. I'm gonna say the same. Comfort always different, but all this power system is not the same. I'm using 5W30 C3 engine oil. What use the extension fan? Second money. Because they can more customers. So I'm gonna fill it a bit and check whether I can get more. So that should be fine by now. I'm gonna check the level. It's not gonna say that it's filled or not. It's still dark as hell. The best way to use the engine flush, you have to change the oil and run it again for 10 minutes without the additive, and then so I'll let the run for 1-2 minutes and then let it sit for 10 minutes to check the oil level. Now it's at the maximum, it's still dirty, contaminated oil, not just like my Volkswagen. So, but it's pretty standard with diesel engines. It's the maximum level at the moment. Now I'm gonna reset the oil. Sadly, you need the diagnosing tool. In my case, I'm using Launch X431. Start this process again. I've never done this with this diagnostic tool. I used to have 129 SRP, I guess was the name. Now we are going to find the car. Subaru, in my case. Switch ignition on, it's already on. Engine oil change. Yes, the oil reach is reset. Please wait the oil. That's it. If you don't reset it, it might get wrong dilution level and it might ruin your car. It's better to reset it. I never had any oil light coming on or anything, so that's it actually for oil service.